Kungani wabona ukuthi kufanele ukhothoze ensimini ka Felokazi kaMpweni?
I suggest you just park that one aside.
I don't want to do that.
Ukuthi bebengasiboni isidingo sokuthi siloku esikhuluma ngento njengalaleyo ngathi somosha isikhathi se-commission.
Ngokubona kwakho ucabanga ukuthi lokho kwakufanele noma kwangafanele?
Hey, you don't understand, yabo?
Make me understand.
Nomzana Gumede. Hayi ngathi kuzafuneka i-VAR. Yaphetha.